Assalamualaikum and good evening everyone. My name is Afiq Hakimi and I am a student from University Technology Malaysia. This assessment will show the interview session with the interviewer from big company. The company that I choose is Telekom Malaysia Berhad. The reason why I choose this company is because I would like to be working in Telekom Malaysia Berhad after graduate from university later. So, enjoy the session. Sure, so my name is Muhamad Afiq Hakimi bin Muhamad Rashidan and I am 24 years old. I am recently graduated from University Technology Malaysia with degree of Electronic System Engineering. While I was studying there, I learned a lot of theory and some of practical in subjects like computer architecture, artificial intelligence, optical fiber communication and more. I managed to maintain a good CGPA during my study there. So, I have working hard in my education and right now I am ready to apply my knowledge into practice. While I don't have any real life work experience, I have a lot of exposure to the engineering environment, especially during my final year project and my internship. During my final year project, I have used my knowledge on optical fiber to solve the real problem on oil and gas pipeline by using the optical fiber sensor. So this become the main reason why I am interested to your company. Now, I am looking to leverage everything I have learned in university and get some hands-on work experience in your company. As I told you before, during my final year project, I have used my knowledge on optical fiber to solve the real problem in oil and gas pipeline by using the optical fiber sensor. Then, during my internship in Cairo UTM KL, I have been involved on the artificial intelligence project with Maxis Berhad, and from that project, I had a lot of exposure about the artificial intelligence, telecommunication system, 5G and more. So I am really interested in optical fiber, AI and telecommunication system, especially in Malaysia. As I know, Telekom Malaysia is one of the leading telecommunication company that provide the internet services and the digital platform around Malaysia since 1996. I have seen your company consistently listed as one of the top place to work. I have read your employee testimonial and heard of your enthusiasm for encourage the employee growth through education, training and vice resource. I already know that engaged employee produce the better work and that evident in the most recent campaign you create. I would love to join your innovative team, continue to create great work and grow within the company by learning a new skill. I think my strong asset is my work ethic and my willingness to step in when needed. I am not afraid to take on the difficult client or do a project that nobody else wants, because those are the client and the project that teach me the most. I typically love to work outside of my job description and do whatever is asked of me. I am not above any single task and I take great pride in my ability to step in and adapt in any situation to get the best result for the company. Then I think my weaknesses is I tend to want to take on complete project all on my own without getting any help. In the past, it caused me to experience the unnecessary pressure and stress. One specific example was my previous study in university, when I was responsible for planning our annual event, and then I tried to do everything on my own, from most substantial decision like venue to the tiniest thing like organizing the table setting. I was so stressed leading up the event, and I narrowly pulled it off. This taught me to take a step back and analyze when I need help. From the experience, I am trying to teach myself to ask for help so I can keep my sanity. I have also found a team of people can produce a better outcome than one heroic person. As a recent fresh graduate, I know that what I am lacking is career experience. However, the qualification that I bring cannot be measured by traditional experience. After completing the final year project to solve the real problem in oil and gas pipeline and involving an AI project with Mrs. Berhad, by adapt and learn new skills to complete the task given by my superior, I learned how to multitask, manage to prioritize the task and responsibility, adapt to any situation of work, and gain a new experience and skill after completing the task. In your fast-paced organization and the leading telecommunication company in Malaysia, the ability to effectively prioritize, gain new experience, adapt to new circumstances is a significant component of success to the company. I exceptionally like about being part of the Telecom Malaysia Berhad because in the next 5 years, I love to be perceived as an expert telecommunication engineer, and I believe Telecom Malaysia Berhad is a leading company in the telecommunication industry. Is the best training ground for someone like me who willing to contribute to the society. I'm equally excited about the prospect of working with some of most brilliant minds in Malaysia, and I also would like to be working together with company to become the best telecommunication company in Malaysia, and maybe can be the best in Asia too. That's all from me. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it can be help for everyone who will have the interview session later. Thank you so much.